Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Superverse. Wanted to do a quick video on that. Obviously, an update yesterday. I'm not sure at what price point I covered it yesterday. I think it was. I think it had already rallied quite a bit, but obviously I've covered Superverse quite a bit. We're also in an amazing trade in the Signal group on Super, so I just wanted to do a quick update. It's still. At this moment, after the bullish momentum that we got yesterday, it's still holding its main support level at 64 and 65 cents, which is also the 0.236 fib. So in my eyes, a lot is still possible. All right. So that's why I wanted to make a quick video on that. Right now, if you look at the technicals, it is bullish. All right. So most of this bullish momentum, in my eyes, if you look at the price structure, but also if you look at where a lot of the volume is coming from, there is probably some manipulation going on, all right? And I use that word a lot, but it's the truth, all right? If you look at where the volume is coming from, it's not a normal distribution. It's also not the most manipulated distribution. Like there's still 40% coming from Binance, so it's definitely not completely manipulated. I know it's got some great backing. I know they're doing some great things right now, but yeah, there's actually quite a lot of hype around it, also from Alex Becker's corner, for example. So it's really like in general in crypto, everything is manipulated to a certain extent, right? I think Super is a little bit more manipulated, but it's not completely manipulated. So right now, the big question is as well, will Super continue rallying up? Right? Or at least that's what I think the main question is. And the answer is, I think, easier than you think. I mean, the short answer is yes, it can continue rallying up. The main resistance level right now is 75 cents. That's a big psychological resistance level, of course. It's also supported by a resistance level at 71 cents, which is a Fibonacci extension level. Strong level, all right? So it was to be expected that at some point of time, after Super barely found resistance at most levels, that at some point of time it would, excuse me, it would continue rallying up, and then it would find resistance eventually. So right now, it really, technically, I think the answer for Super is quite easy, which is, and that's actually best to look at right now, the main support is 60 cents, the main resistance is 75 cents. Because of the volatile and unpredictable nature of this coin, the best thing to do is just to wait for confirmation. Because right now the price is really struggling, right? The price is struggling between picking either finding resistance, which it is doing, but then also staying bullish, which it's also doing by holding the 236 fib. So in general, my main analysis is wait for a breakout. If Super is able to break out above 75 cents, it will be bullish and it will get up to 90, 95, potentially $1. All right. And on the other hand, if Super drops down below 60 cents, and it doesn't break above that instantly after again, it's probably over. And Super will fall back down towards 50, 45, probably even 40 cents. This is what will happen. And because the price right now is volatile and unpredictable, it's better to wait for this confirmation. Obviously, I know most of you don't like that. And most of you just want me to tell you what I think is most likely. So that's what I'll do as well. But if you're smart, you're just waiting for a confirmation here. All right, a real confirmation. So especially Super right now is still very bullish. So even if it breaks down below 60 cents, it could still get above that instantly afterwards. So really wait for that retest. But no, if you look at Super in the last day, you can see that it's losing momentum. All right, it's losing momentum here. So it, yeah, that's not great. But the momentum, because I actually wanted to say, because no, the momentum here, it's decreasing a bit, but it's still super high. So we're waiting for this breakout. At this moment, I think it's still a little bit more likely, given the market structure and given the hype around Super, that we'll get that bullish breakout. All right, there's also, well, no, that's not true anymore, but the funding rates were pretty good as well. Not anymore, doesn't matter. I think that bullish breakout is most likely, but in general, if you want to trade this, wait for that confirmation, all right? Because if Bitcoin starts falling right now and it falls down towards 40,000, it's probably more likely that Super will get that bearish breakout, all right? So those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.